we uncovered a new way to increase sales. It's incredible. For months, our sales had plateaued. No matter what strategies we tried, discounts, social media ads, influencer collaborations, nothing seemed to break the ceiling. Our team was stuck in a loop, tweaking campaigns and analyzing data, hoping for a breakthrough. Then, by sheer accident, we stumbled upon a game-changing approach that skyrocketed our sales in ways we never imagined. The discovery. It all started with a small experiment. One of our team members, Jake, noticed something unusual while going through customer feedback. Many buyers weren't just looking for great products, they were looking for an emotional connection. They wanted to feel part of something bigger, something meaningful. That's when it hit us. What if we stopped focusing solely on selling and started building a deeper connection with our customers? Instead of running another discount campaign, we launched a storytelling-based marketing approach. We crafted authentic narratives around our brand, showcasing real customer experiences, behind-the-scenes stories, and the passion that drove our business. The unexpected shift. To test our theory, we posted a heartfelt video of how our product changed one customer's life. No fancy production, no sales pitch, just raw, genuine storytelling. Within hours, engagement skyrocketed. People shared the video, tagged friends, and left emotional comments. Our sales? They surged by 35% in just a week. Realizing the potential, we doubled down. Every marketing campaign became a story. Every ad a personal journey. Customers didn't just buy our products, they became part of our brand's journey. The incredible results. By shifting our focus from selling to connecting, we achieved a 65% increase in customer retention, a huge boost in word-of-mouth referrals, a higher perceived value of our brand. And the best part? We didn't need a bigger budget, just a better approach. So, if your sales are stagnant, ask yourself, are you selling a product or are you telling a story? Because the latter just might be the secret weapon you never knew you had. Blast off